Hello, my dear student. This is Heena. I hope that you all are fine and safe. As we are aware about that our country is going through this pandemic situation, so this is our responsibility to follow the rule and fight against this disease by staying at home or by avoiding social distancing. So, my dear students, today we'll study about our first chapter of mathematics, that is knowing our numbers.
Starting this chapter, I would like to discuss that in this chapter we'll deal with three exercises. Exercise 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. Exercise 1.1 will study about the place value chart in both the system, that is in Indian system as well as in the international system, which is very important topic. And in exercise 1.2 we'll deal with few word problems, and at the last in exercise 1.3 we deal with estimation terms, which means round off the terms.
So let's start our topic. Before starting the exercise 1.1, let us understand about the place value chart.
What is place value chart? Place value tells us the value of each digit in a numeral based on its position, and place value chart is one in which the position of a digit in a number determines its value. Students, it means the place value chart help us to break the large numbers using commas to avoid the confusion while reading and writing. Basically, the place value chart divided into two parts. First one, Indian place value system, and the second one is international place value system. Let us understand both the system with the help of one example. So here we are taking 9-digit number as example 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Do you know, my dear student, what exactly the name of this digit is? So before the naming we have to group the numbers. And in Indian numbering system, we start the grouping from the right in the group of 3, then further in the group of 2, and so on. The place value chart separating into groups, which we call as period, and we put commas after every period, means after one's period, after 1000 period, and after lakh period, and then crore is there. After putting commas, it becomes very easy to naming the number. So, what would be the name of this number now? The name of the number is 23 crore 45 lakh 67,890. Have you seen, students? Using these commas, we can write any large number name very easily. And this Indian numbering system is followed in Indian subcontinent, that is India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. So what is followed in other than the Indian subcontinent? Then other than the Indian subcontinent, we follow the international numbering system, which we start the digits are divided into the group of 3. We are taking example same as we have discussed for the Indian numbering system. Thus the difference is how we divide the digits. Again, in international numbering system, we start grouping the number from right in the group of 3, again in the group of 3, and then so on. But there is one difference between international numbering system and Indian numbering system is that there is no lakh and crore in international numbering system. The ones group divided into 3 subgroups, that is ones, tens, 100. The 1000 group divided into 3 another subgroups, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And same with the million group is divided into another 3 subgroups, that is million, 10 million and 100 million. So what would be the naming of this number? Before naming, we have to put the commas after every period, after one's period, after 1000 period. But remember students, we always start grouping from the right, not from the left. So, how we can write the name of this digit? Now we can write the name of this digit is, as we can see in the million group, I have 234. So 234 million. In the thousand group, I have 567. So 567,000. And the ones group, I have 890. That is 890. So this is how I can name a number in the international numbering system.
I hope students you got very well the concept of Indian and international value system. Now after concept clarification we'll start the exercise 1.1. So in exercise 1.1 the question number 1 is fill in the blanks and the A part is 1 lakh is equals to dash 10,000. It means in 1 lakh, how many 10,000s are there? So, what would be coming in the place of fill up? So, for that, first we'll write their values. In 1 lakh, we are having 5 zeros, and in 10,000, we are having 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we can count it like a place value using the place value table also. See, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. And we can put the commas also according to the Indian numbering system. In the same manner, ones, tens, 100,000, then 10,000. Fine. So, see, there are 5 zeros and there are, and 10,000 are 4 zeros. So, what would we doing to make it equal? When we multiply 10,000 with 10, it becomes equal to 1 lakh. Yes, student. So it means when we are multiplying it with 10, they both will become equal. So 1 lakh is equals to 10,000. Is it clear? Now we are moving forward for the second question, that is 1 crore is equals to dash 10 lakh. It means in 1 crore, how many 10 lakhs are there? We are knowing that in crore we are having 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1. And we can use it like this. See, it is 1 crore. And in 10 lakh we are having 6 zeros. It is 10 lakh. We can see like that also. Yes. So here we are having 7 zeros, and in 10 lakh we are having 6 zeros. Again, to make it equal, what we will do? We'll multiply again the 10 lakh with 10 to make equal to 1 crore. Yes. So it means 1 crore is equals to 10 lakh. I hope my students you understood this question. Now the second question of exercise 1.1 is place commas correctly and write the numerals. Numerals means you have to write down this question in a number form. So first of all we have to know that the given number is belongs to which system. So accordingly we have to name. Like the first question is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. As you know students, crore is a term of Indian systems. So we can do this question with two manner. Either you can make a table of Indian numbering system, or you can set up the table into your mind itself. So I am doing this one question with the help of this table. I am making this Indian numbering system table. See, ones, thousand, lakh, and then crore. The ones place we are having three term: ones, thousand, lakh, and then crore. The ones further divided into three parts: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, Same with crore and 10 crore. Now put the values of the given question into that table. Let's begin. We are having 9 crore. 9 crore 5 lakh. So 5 would be under the lakh. There is no 10 lakh, so there would be 0. There is no 1000 term, so in the place of 1000 we have to put 0 and 0. And 41 means 1 would be in ones place and then 4 in tens place, and there is nothing in hundred place, so we have to put 0. So what will get as a number? 90500,041. Yes, beta. So this is the numeral form of this question. Now we have to put the commas according to Indian number system. So in Indian number system, we have to group the numbers from the right in the group of 3 numbers, then in the 2 numbers, then in 2. So this is the answer for this question, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Now the B part is 58,423,302. So you can see, students, there is a million. It means it is an international system. As we know, in international system we group the numbers in the group of 3 always. But before writing the number, either you can prepare a table like this, or you can set up the table into your mind itself. So this question I'm doing without the table. See, we are having 58 million. 58 million in 100 billion, there is nothing. So it is your choice. You can put 0 or not, your choice. So we are having 3000 place and then 3 ones place. Yes. So in 1000 place, 423,000. So 423,000 place and 302 in ones place. So this is the number form of this question. Now this next part is we have to put the commas according to international numbering system, and in international numbering system we always put the commas from the right in the group of 3 numbers, always in the group of 3 numbers. So we got our answer, that is 58,423,302. Now students, coming to our question number 3. Place comma suitably and write the name according to both system of numeration. Means the given number we have to express in both the system, in Indian system as well as in the international system. So students, before naming, what would be the first step? Yes, putting the commas according to the rule. So according to Indian system, we start the grouping of the number from the right in the group of 3, further in the group of 2, and so on. Now we'll start naming of the number. The 672 is in ones place, 59 is in thousand place, and 87 is in lakh place. So the name would be 87 lakh 59,672. Right, students? And at the same time, for international numbering system, again we have to start the group, and we start grouping from the right in the group of 3 numbers, and again in the 3 numbers, and so on. As we know that international system, we don't have lakh, we have 1672 is in ones place, 759 is in thousand place, and 8 is in million place. So the name for this number would be 8,700,000 672. So, I hope students you all understood the exercise 1.1 very well and able to solve the exercise questions. Now, let us discuss our new exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, we are having very simple word problems. Out of these few questions, I am going to discuss here. So question number 1 is find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 62743, each only once. It means, the question means it that we have to find out the difference, means subtraction between the greatest and the least number, and the number we can arise from with using these digits, and the condition is each digits we have to use only once. So we can start our solution. For the solution, first of all we'll make a greater number using these digits. So the greater number would be 76432. It means the number we can arrange in descending order, and for the least number we can reciprocal of the above number 23467. Now this is the greatest number and this is the least number. Now we can subtract these two numbers. So 76432 23467. We have to do the difference subtraction. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Given carry by 3, it become 2. 12 minus 6 is 6. 13 minus 4 is 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is the required answer for this question. Now coming to our next question, question number 2. Medicine is packed in boxes. Each weight is 4 kilogram 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram? The meaning of this question is we have to pack the medicine and in a box, and each box weight is given to you 4 kilogram 500 gram, and these boxes we have to load in a van, but the van capacity is the van cannot carry more than 800 kilogram boxes. So how many boxes we can load in that particular van? So for that we'll start the solution. In solution, it is given that one box weight is 4 kilogram and 500 gram. We'll convert it into 1 unit, and converting into gram, that is 4500 gram. You know student how it has been converted? We know 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, so 4 kilogram is equals to 4000 gram, and all together it would be 4000 plus 500, that is 4500 gram, and the capacity for van would be 800 kilogram. This also we can convert into gram, so 800 into 1000 gram, that is 800,123 gram. You know student, this shortcut, that number with number we are multiplying and the rest of the zero we can add at the last as it is. So this is the weight of one box, and this is the capacity of van. We have to find out the number of boxes. that how many boxes can be loaded in that particular van. So for that, the total weight of the van is 8 lakh gram, and the weight of one box is 4500 gram. You know these units would be cutting because they are in division, and these 2 0 with cancel with these 2 0. Now it is the division, that is 45. We have to divide with 8000. So 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90. 90 is greater than 80, so it could be 45 ones are 45. After doing subtraction, 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 4 is 3, and carrying 0 there would be 350. 350, 45 eights are 360. So it is greater than 350, and it will go in 45 sevens are, so 45 sevens are 315, so it will go with 7. 45 sevens are 315. Now we'll do subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now again it will go carry, it will carrying down, it again became becoming 350. Again it will not go with 8, it will go with 7 only. So 45 sevens are 315. 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. So this remainder we don't require. We require only this question. It means 177 boxes we can load in that given van. So students, this is a solution for question number 2. I hope you understood this question. I hope students that you got our today's topic, that is knowing our number, with 2 exercises, exercise 1.1 and 1.2. And the homework question I'm providing you as a PDF file that you have to solve in your fair notebooks of mathematics and do in a very neat and clean manner. So thank you so much, and stay home, stay safe.